Hello everyone, myself Rupal, Chief Strategy Officer at BPX, a business process consulting company, and today I'm here to talk to you about how SAP Signavio can help in customer delight. Customer experience has transitioned from an afterthought to a critical focus. The era of word of mouth has transformed into branded user-generated content where a single bad review or a negative experience can reach millions instantly. Expectations are higher and businesses globally must prioritize customer experience improvement. SAP Signavio's journey modeling offers a holistic view, both from outside and inside, from the digital to the physical touchpoints, enabling businesses to deeply understand, improve, and transform customer engagement. SAP Signavio can delight customers in the following 3 ways. Number 1, delighting customers at scale. Creating positive experiences is no longer enough. Companies must actively craft experiences that not only satisfy, but also delight and excite consumers. SAP Signavio goes beyond traditional methods, connecting consumer journeys to the processes delivering them, like inventory, supply chain logistics, last mile delivery, feedback, and so on. Failing to do so risks disengaging consumers and losing ground to competitors. For example, Signavio can monitor the leads received, how many of them were approached, how many of them went cold, and it can analyze customer purchase journeys and preferences. By connecting these journeys to their inventory and sales processes, they ensure products customers desire are always in stock. This proactive approach delights customers by offering a seamless shopping experience and reducing the chances of disappointment due to product unavailability. Number 2, visualizing customer perspectives. Step-by-step journeys provide profound insights into how your business functions from outside. It uncovers hidden opportunities and challenges, offering a transparent basis for decision-making. This clarity ensures smoother workflows for employees, leading to more efficient work. Simultaneously, it equips you with impactful insights, enabling you to cater to your customers' needs, even those they aren't aware of, fostering loyalty and satisfaction. Example, an online service provider utilizes SAP Signavio to map out customer onboarding process. By seeing the journey from the customer's viewpoint, they identify areas causing confusion. Customizations are made to simplify the process, ensuring customers have a straightforward and frustration-free onboarding experience. This leads to increased customer satisfaction and higher retention rates. Number 3, driving intelligent decisions. SAP Signavio empowers your entire organization with journeys, analytics, and sentiment analysis. Leaders gain understanding of the links between customer sentiment, moments of truth, and underlying processes. Armed with this knowledge, businesses can make smart decisions about which customers to serve, when, and how. It transforms customer expectations into operational reality, ensuring your business not only meets but exceeds customer desires. Example, an insurance company leverages SAP Signavio's journey analytics to assess customer sentiment during claim processes. By understanding the emotional aspect of these interactions, they identify the pain points and tailor the response strategies. This nuanced approach results in empathetic and efficient customer service, enhancing customer loyalty and positive brand perception. In essence, SAP Signavio provides the framework for businesses not just to meet but surpass customer expectations, driving customer delight and ensuring long-lasting relationships. It's not just about improving processes, it's about transforming experiences and turning happy customers into loyal advocates. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Thank you and keep watching.